안녕하세요. 저는 냠라이에요. I'm the lead singer of the Sugars Group, presented by Talk to the Machine. Let's take a moment to talk about older men looking for love in South Korea, otherwise known as LBHs, short for Loser Back Home, also referred to as passport bros, or dudes who wanted to be on the Epstein list but were too broke. Thankfully, I didn't see any Korean names in those lists. Sometimes it's okay not to be invited to the popular party. Though we here at Talk to the Machine mostly consist of older men, we would like to advise women in our native South Korea to resist the prospect of marrying these types of men. You may be asking why we feel that way. But perhaps it would be better to have a visual demonstration of the kind of relationship you'd be getting into. Let's say these represent a man of your current age, and not someone who is typically an LBH, or passport bro. And then let's also say that these are more likely to represent an LBH. Now, imagine yourself walking along the Han River, talking to this man, day in and day out. Then imagine going on a pleasant bike ride along the river. Left turn. Right turn. And of course, imagine spending that special time alone with that LBH at night. Maybe I could go all night. Yeah.